Nuclear energy, miracle of science or nightmare in the wrong hands. Both nuclear power and nuclear weapons come from the same science, but their impacts are worlds apart. Let's break down how this force works, and why it matters. Nuclear power starts with atoms, the building blocks of everything. Inside each atom's nucleus is a huge amount of energy, holding protons and neutrons together. If you split the nucleus of certain atoms like uranium, you release that energy. In nuclear reactors, this process, called fission, is controlled. Fuel rods are submerged in water, and when fission happens it creates heat. That heat boils water, making steam that spins turbines to generate electricity. Nuclear power plants can provide clean, steady energy for entire cities with no smoke or greenhouse gases. Unlike coal or gas, nuclear power doesn't release carbon dioxide, making it one of the cleanest large-scale energy sources. But the same science can also be used for destruction. Nuclear bombs unleash all that energy in an instant, causing a blinding flash, a shockwave, and a mushroom cloud. The explosion is millions of times stronger than regular bombs, and releases deadly radiation. The aftermath is catastrophic. In the immediate blast zone, tens of thousands can die within seconds, crushed by collapsing buildings, incinerated by the fireball, or vaporized in the intense heat. Survivors suffer severe burns, their skin charred and blistered, and many are left with horrific injuries. Deadly radiation sweeps through the area, causing acute radiation sickness, nausea, bleeding, hair loss, and organ failure. In the days and weeks that follow, even more people perish from their wounds and radiation exposure. But the suffering doesn't end there. Long-term effects haunt survivors. Cancers like leukemia and thyroid cancer rise sharply, and genetic mutations can be passed to future generations, causing birth defects and chronic illnesses. Psychological trauma is widespread, as people grapple with the loss of loved ones, homes, and any sense of normalcy. The environment is devastated, soil and water are poisoned, plants and animals die, and entire ecosystems collapse. Infrastructure, roads, hospitals, schools, lies in ruins, making rescue and recovery nearly impossible. Entire populations are displaced, forced to abandon their homes and communities. Cities can remain uninhabitable for decades, haunted by invisible radiation. Generations grow up in the shadow of the bomb, their lives shaped by loss, illness, and fear. The scale of human suffering is immense, and the consequences ripple through society and the environment for lifetimes. Nuclear power can light up the world, but nuclear weapons threaten everything. The same technology brings both hope and risk. It's up to us to use it wisely, shaping the future for generations to come.